Hey guys, it's Josh with JC Landscaping, back with another video for you guys. So we're going to do a little bit of a flower bed cleanup today. Give you a broader view here. There's a bush hiding in there. Lots of poison ivy along the house, which I'm gonna have to spray all that. These have basically just turned into small trees. Pretty good sized walnut tree. The black walnut. Kind of cut the dead out of here. That is probably one of the biggest thistles I think I have ever seen in my entire life. Look at those. Ooh. Hypodermic needled, man. Another one right back here. So all right, let's get started. I might set you up, record a little bit. We'll get this customer taken care of. Yes, this is one that I mow. You've seen a previous video about this. Very, very healthy yard now from what it was the first time I got here. So let's get started. All right, guys, I'm back, and here is the finished product. It's not 100% perfect. Customer didn't want 100%. They wanted it just cleaned up, straightened up a little bit. So there we go. That's it, guys. If you can, like, subscribe, share the page, and I will catch you all in the next one. Peace.